Welcome to 624 Holly Street, a beautiful 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home located in the historic Grand Cane, Louisiana area. This newer, fully custom home built in 2013 offers 2,356 square feet of pure comfort. Inside, you're greeted by airy high ceilings, stunning custom woodwork, and crown molding throughout the open living area. Relax in the master suite, which has its own special entrance to your backyard retreat. Step out onto the large back patio to enjoy peaceful views overlooking a serene pasture where you can often see cows grazing, giving you that perfect, peaceful country feel. Out back, the home features a swimming pool and a hot tub. Sit out back underneath the pergola in the shade and hang out with the family next to the pool and the hot tub. This home also features a Generac whole home generator. And for your project, there's also a detached 20 by 25 foot shop. If you're interested in viewing this property, make the call and I'll help you out.